Hello everyone, I'm Harunda Joyce Faith from Iganga Secondary School, working out number 21A under the topic of mensuration in the practice questions. Number 21A is about a lampshade, and we are required to find its total surface area. And there are so many types of lampshades. There are those that are closed at both ends, there are those that are open at both ends, and there are some that are closed at one end. After further consultation, we are told to find our total surface area of our lampshade based on the principle that it's closed at one end. And this is our lampshade. It's closed at one end. So to find its total surface area, we shall need the area of the circular surface and the area of the curved surface. As illustrated here, we have the circular surface and the curved surface. But this lampshade was got by a result of chopping off. It was a full one like this, and we chopped off. So this was removed to form this cone, and this and the whole of it formed this one. So to find our total surface area for the lampshade, we shall need the curved surface area of our big cone minus curved surface area of the small one, and we shall add on the area of the circular surface. But we don't have the curved surface for our big cone and the curved surface for our small one, so we are required to find them. So we shall have curved surface area for our big cone, which is pi RL, and we don't have the slanting side, so we shall have to extract this triangle from this one. But remember, we have unknowns, since when we completed our lampshade we have x here and 12 here. So we shall have to find the height of the cone, since we don't have it. So we shall get our height of the cones is got using the linear scale factor, and these two cones are similar, so the ratio of their corresponding values is equal. So we shall have the linear scale factors as 7 out of 3, which is equal to 12 plus x out of x. Since this is our height for our bigger cone and this is our height for the small one, so we shall cross multiply to find the value of x, which will be 7x is equal to 3, 12 plus x. We shall open the bracket, so we shall have 7x is equal to 3 times 12 is 36, plus 3 times x is 3x. Then we shall collect like terms. 7x minus 3x is equal to 36. And our difference here is 4x is equal to 36. To find the value of x, we are going to divide through by 4. So it will be 4x out of 4 is equal to 36 out of 4. And our value of x is 9 centimeters. So we have our height for our small cone, which is 9, and the longer one is 12 plus x, which will be 12 plus 9 to give us 21. So we are now back to finding our curved surface area for our big cone. But remember, we don't have the slanting side, but we have our triangle, which we are going to pick out from our big cone, and it will be this. It has a radius of 7 centimeters and a height of 12 plus x. And so we found the value of x as 9, so it will be 12 plus 9 to give us 21 centimeters. We are using Pythagoras theorem to find the length, our slanting side. So it will be a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. We have our a squared as 7 and our b as 21. So our a is 7 squared plus our b is 21 squared is equal to c squared. We shall have 49 plus 441 is equal to c squared, and we shall have 490, which is equal to c squared. And to find the value of c, we shall place square roots on both sides so that we can eliminate this square on c. So it will be c squared square root is equal to 490, and we're finding its square root 2. Our c will be 22.1359 centimeters. So Given our C as 22.1359, we are now able to find our curved surface area for our big cone, which will be, it is pi RL. We have our pi as 22 out of 7. We have our radius, which is 7, times L, which is the slanting side, which is 22.1359. And our curved surface area for our big cone will be 486.9898 centimeters squared. So our next step, we are required to find the curved surface area for our small cone, which will be this. And it has a radius of 3 centimeters. And remember, our x here is the height of the small cone, and we found it as 9 centimeters. So we are still using Pythagoras theorem to find the length, which the slanting side, which is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Our a is 3 squared plus 9 squared is equal to c squared, and this is 9 plus 81 is equal to c squared. The sum of these two is 90 is equal to c squared. We shall still place square roots on both of them. So our c will be 9.4868 centimeters. And given this, we are going to find the curved surface area of our small cone, which is still pi RL. We have our slanting side, so it's 22 out of 7 times our radius, which is 3 centimeters, times 9.4868, and our curved surface area for our small cone will be 89.447 centimeters squared. Remember, finding our total surface area, we are using the curved surface area of our big cone minus the curved surface area of the small one, and we shall add on the area of our circle. So our total surface area will be, our curved surface area for our big cone is 486.9898. And we shall subtract 89.447. And we shall add on the area of our circle, which is pi r squared. When you find the range between the two, it's 397.5428 plus 22 out of 7 times 3 times 3. This is our area for our small cone, which will be 397.5428 plus 28.2857, and our total surface area for the lampshade will be 425.8285 centimeters squared. Thank you.